How to get free points on SHEIN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get free points on SHEIN. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your SHEIN app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Now to get free points, what you'll have to do is go to the Me option on the bottom right. And inside this section right here, you'll find check-in option. Tap on check-in. After you tap on check-in, this page will open up. Here, you can come back every other day. As you can see, every month or every day, your points will get increased. And there you can see check-in for 2 consecutive days to get a big surprise. And yeah, you can basically check in every day to get free points. And you can also tap on this option that says remind me. So if you enable that, you will get reminded to collect your points. And after you've collected a number of points, you can actually use that points. As you can see that 1 point is basically $0.01. And that's one way of doing it. The other way is if you swipe here, you'll find share and earn. Tap on that. And from here, you can start sharing. So you can earn rewards. The rewards can be sometimes coupons and sometimes even free points. So you can simply copy this. And after you copy it, you can share it with your friends. And when your friends register, there you will get the points. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.